The major update in the Delhi Baby Care Center fire has now come out. Of course, this is a case where 7 infants were killed. The owner of the Baby Care Center, Naveen Kichi, who was absconding, he has now been arrested. Cops are probing the accused, in fact, over the massive tragedy, trying to understand all the details as to what exactly led to this tragedy. In fact, 12 newborns were rescued thanks to the locals who stepped in to aid the rescue operations, but 7 out of these rescued newborns passed away during treatment, while 5 of them remain critical. Visuals of the aftermath have confirmed that the ambulance that was at the center was also destroyed. Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj has said that the culprits of this incident will not be spared and that the strictest action will be taken against those found guilty or involved in any wrongdoing. In fact, Prime Minister Modi has also called the tragedy heartrending.
बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट है कि करीब 6 बच्चों की दम घुटने की वजह से इसमें मृत्यु हो गई। एक और बच्चे की हालत गंभीर बताई जा रही है। हमारी तरफ से बहुत साफ है कि इसकी जांच करेंगे, जल्द जांच करेंगे और जो भी दोषी हैं जिन्होंने इसके अंदर लापरवाही की है या मिलीभगत की है, उनको सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
देखिए, ये बड़ी दुखद घटना है और इस तरह की घटना दिल्ली के लिए तो शर्मनाक है। 7 बच्चे जिन्होंने आंखें भी नहीं खोली और वो चले गए। क्या उसके परिवार पे, क्या उसकी माँ पे बीत रही होगी, ये तो दर्द समझने की बात है। लेकिन दुर्भाग्य इस देश का ये है कि दिल्ली के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री यहाँ आते हैं और जांच की बात कह के चले जाते हैं। ये जो हादसा है, अगर इलीगल नर्सिंग होम चल रहा है, इलीगल रिफिलिंग हो रही है गैस सिलेंडर्स की, तो वो सारे अधिकारी जो जिनकी आंख के नीचे ये काम हो रहे थे वो दोषी हैं, उन सबको सूली पे लटका देना चाहिए।
ये सोच के कि जरा इसका अनुभव करिए कि जिसके बच्चे अभी संसार में आए थे और अस्पताल से घर नहीं पहुंच पाए। हु इज रेस्पॉन्सिबल? दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री जी, जिनका ये फायर डिपार्टमेंट है, जिसका वो महिलाओं को पिटवाने में लगे हैं, शराब घोटाला करने में लगे हैं। तो इसलिए मैं बहुत तकलीफ, बड़ी पीड़ा में मैं कह रहा हूँ कि दिल्ली को दर्द और आंसुओं का पहाड़ बना दिया अरविंद केजरीवाल ने, और स्वयं पता नहीं किस घमंड में चूर हैं।
The breaking input right now is that Naveen Kichi has been brought inside the Vivek Vihar police station. He is currently inside, and in fact we're the only channel to have these visuals of Naveen Kichi inside Vivek Vihar police station. And we were also speaking about accountability and the fact that he has not made a comment yet. This is Vivek Vihar police station. That is where all the action is taking place. But he has not made any comment so far, and now the fact that he's also under arrest, he will not be further able to make comments. But major lapses that have come to the fore when we speak of this particular incident that came in. 7 children, 7 infants have passed away, and that is something that needs to be checked. That is something that requires a lot of answering when it comes to Naveen Kichi. So Naveen Kichi is all set to be grilled here for multiple hours, and in the next few hours we will find out how long will he be grilled for, and how will that go. But speaking of that, Naveen Kichi is the one who owned the hospital, and also the fact that in the past as well we did see that Naveen Kichi was the one that there were some serious allegations leveled against Naveen Kichi. Further had issues with the permit as well. So yes, he will be grilled heavily inside the police station.